So welcome back to the channel. I'm Tony, and today we're unboxing the DJI Action 2 camera. Let's get into it. So very minimalistic packaging, very simple. Let's go ahead and open it up real quick. Plastic side, garbage. Just very clean, very simple packaging. Let's go ahead and see how you open this. Looks like you do it from the flap on the side here. Inside we get a manual. Yeah, there it is. Multiple manuals, different languages. Put that aside for now. Let's go ahead and look inside the box, that flap. And there's the camera. Here's the main camera unit itself. So this part here is the power brick. Also inside we're going to get a USB-C cable. So it looks like, open this. So this is the lanyard to be able to attach to the camera to mount on your chest when you're walking around for more of the POV shots. And in here it looks like we have the usual action mount, which started with the GoPros, but now most of these action cameras have the similar mounts. Move the box out of the way. So let's see, here is the main camera unit. Go ahead and pull off the plastic here. Here's the main Action 2. On the back is where the screen is. Button here, main camera here. And we have this, which is this is the power unit for extra battery. Now there is a built-in battery in the camera itself, but this gives you much more battery life. So the camera definitely feels like a premium product, something you'd find from, let's say, Apple. Really nice brushed aluminum metal on it, on both the camera itself as well as the power bank unit. It just feels nice in the hand. I will say it does seem a little delicate in the sense that I just don't want to dent or scratch the nice finished aluminum, but it is an action camera, so it should be able to hold up. It's magnetic, so you'll see these clips here and here attach here and here. It's a very strong magnet, so just be careful when you're putting it together. That's the whole unit as one. So let's go ahead and get the DJI set up. To set up the camera, you need to download the actual app, which you can use the QR code on the box. It's called the DJI Mimo app. I've already downloaded it to save time. So let's go ahead and open it real quick. So here's the app itself. Let's go ahead and hit device. It's searching for the device. We should probably power it on, which I think is the button here. Let's go ahead and hold the main power button. Oh, it just shook. So I assume it's turning on. English, yes. All right, device names. Oh, it's already popped up on the app, so let's go ahead and connect. Let's see if it's connecting. All right, looks like it found the actual camera, confirming the code. Yep, that's confirmed. Let's go ahead and accept here. Usual terms and conditions. And now we're prompted here. Let's go ahead and get device info. Next, go ahead and hit activate. All right, now it's activating the device. So this is prompting us to buy the DJI Camera Refresh, which I recommend if you own any DJI products to get this. It's a really good program. Essentially, no questions asked. If you destroy the device, damage the device, whatever it may be, as long as you don't lose it, and you can actually ship them a device, they will replace it for you. I'm gonna go ahead and skip it for now and set this up later. Let's continue the activation here. Also, the battery level is very low, as you can see right there. Questionnaire, no thank you at the moment. Yes, let's exit that. Now it's doing a firmware update, so let's go ahead and let that continue to update. What I recommend is when it's updating, make sure to attach the power unit to the device. So go ahead and attach the main battery. Now with the DJI Action camera, what it will do is it's going to drain the main battery first before it'll drain the battery on the actual camera. So all right, now we're gonna hit install. Let that go for a few minutes. All right, and now it's done. So that was pretty quick for the firmware update. Checking for the device again, it's restarting. And now we're in, and that's connected to the actual camera, so I can either control it with my phone or with the camera itself. All right, so now we're all set up with the DJI 2 Action camera. The process was, I'd say, really easy. Only took a few minutes. It was nice that the camera was already pre-charged so that we can get the firmware updated and get it all ready to go. If you have any questions about the setup process, let me know in the comments below. I look forward to doing a future review of the actual camera when I get some more time with it.